The filing itself is a fairly simple process. You can file either electronically or you can actually go to the courthouse and physically file a petition. It's really the work on either side that's a lot more sophisticated. Because prior to filing, you have to figure out what all of your assets are and what all of your liabilities are, and you fill out a series of schedules and statements. Those schedules and statements tend to be fairly similar across the different chapters of bankruptcy, but you have to list all of your assets and all of your liabilities. And if you don't do that, there could be penalties. If you don't list an asset and the trustee finds out about it, you can have problems within the bankruptcy. If you don't list a liability and that creditor doesn't get notice of your bankruptcy, then that liability might stay with you even after a discharge because that person didn't get notice. So really the intense part of it is not so much the filing, but that pre-filing work where we're trying to figure out what all of your assets and all of your liabilities are and how it all fits together. There's also at this point when we can even start doing a little pre-planning for how we're going to treat these debts once we get to the plan phase, which is a little further down the road. But, once you start sort of marshaling all of these debts and liabilities and assets and liabilities together, you can kind of start determining how the pieces are going to fit further down the road. So the petition itself isn't a lot of work, but it's really that pre-planning that is a lot of work and is a lot more sophisticated.